Okay guys, so I'm starting off with using my Badescu enzyme gel, and I'm using my Devol Radiant Skincare System to just cleanse my face. And this video is sponsored by them. They did send me this spin brush kit, and it does come with the brush itself as well as 3 brush heads and a rock head as well for I think it said like feet and stuff. So if you have like rough feet, you can use this brush to get your feet together. And I'm just going all over my face. The specific face cleanser that I'm using does not sud. I believe that it is sulfate free. And what I do like about the Badescu products is that it is very, very gentle on the skin, being that I do have sensitive skin. So I do like this product. Next, I'm just going in with a white towel, and I am just pat drying my face so that I can apply my vitamin C serum. Actually, take that back. I'm spraying my face with the aloe face spray, and that is actually prepping for my vitamin C serum. I use all of these products in conjunction with one another because all of them are very concentrated. And here you'll see me go in with that vitamin C serum. But yeah, like I was saying, they're all very concentrated, so a little bit goes a long way by themselves. And by me using them together, I'm able to make the product stretch more. And when I'm putting this on, I'm kind of putting it in an upward motion. That is the moisturizer that I'm using, and that is the Josie Maran whipped butter with argan oil. And I like that because it is a thicker lotion. Not a lotion, but it's a thicker whipped butter. It's a face butter. And I use this every single night, whether I have makeup on or not. I use it every single night because it is a thicker consistency, and I just like a thicker face butter for my face at night. And yeah guys, when I say this is thick, it is thick. Like, you'll see me continuously going around and around and around because a little bit might be on your face, but it is going to be there until you really, really rub it in. And I'm actually going to take it down to my neck a little bit as well. Now my skin is all nice, clean, and moisturized, so I'm just going to do my final step, which is spraying my face with the Josie Maran face spray. And we're gonna just let this dry, and that is it, guys. It's not anything, too over the top. It's a quick, simple little let me get my face together, get it moisturized and clean for me to go to bed, and that's it. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.